Organic. Organic means absence of synthetic chemical. The process of growing crops by using natural material without chemical fertilizer, pesticides, hormones, food additives, and GMOs is organic farming. In the world, organic farming is developing rapidly. In this chart, we can see agricultural land for organic farming increased by 3 times in periods of 10 years. The number of organic producers is also increasing in many countries. Organic farming makes farming ecological sound because it relies on techniques such as crop rotation, green manure, biological pest control in order to maintain soil productivity and control pests on the farm. Likewise, organic farming also concerned about economic sustainability by decreasing the cost of inputs, increase price of outputs, and easy marketing. In the same way, it also enhances social relationships by improving human health, using local knowledge, and providing rural employment.